10 best gaming mouse for small hands in 2022. Whether you are a pro or a noob at gaming, a major deep hunt for the best wired wireless gaming mouse is going to be your primary soon. Well, today I'm here to solve this mystery of yours and help you to get your hands on something incredible you have never experienced before ever. 10 best gaming mouse for small hands in 2022. Number 1. Logitech G703 Elite Class Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Logitech Gaming Mouse comes up with some remarkable features, out of which the most famous one is its induced laser tech. The Lightspeed wireless technology is going to stun you with its fast response and professional attitude. Its pros are amazing battery life, 500 hours, ergonomically designed, 6 programmable buttons, no need to install additional software, suits medium and large sized hands too. Cons: I honestly can't say anything negative about this mouse. Number 2. Razer Naga Trinity Incredibly Accurate Gaming Mouse. Razer has now introduced innovation, giving all the necessary control to the user. Yes, you had it right. This gaming mouse is customizable. Pros: powered by Razer Snaps. Experience total control in your hand, up to 19 fully grabbable buttons. Cons: a little overpriced for some. Number 3. Corsair Skimitar Pro RGB all devices compatible gaming mouse. This one's got a good lead in this list because of the excellent success Corsair has made for the past 2 years in the field of improvement. The design of this device brought to practice keeping in mind the hand size of an average person, which is 7.44 inches roughly. Its pros are the buttons are more significant than the Naga. The alternating texture of the buttons is a nice feature too. More comfortable, easy grip. Cons: many people are claiming the setup is hard. It's not much durable. Number 4. BenQ Zoe EC2A Plug and Play Gaming Mouse. You have ever been so lazy that you want to play with your device right after arrives at the door? This one perfectly suits the lazy people out there. No need to go through the tiring software installation. Plug into your PC and start playing. Its pros are no driver needed, plug and play, ergonomic design exclusively for right-handed users, 400, 800, 1600, 3200 dpi adjustment, high level of compatibility. Cons: sensitivity level is a bit low. Number 5. Razer Diamondback Best Multi-Gesture Mouse. Razer has engineered this durable piece of tech with the most efficient features. Not only has made its exterior remarkable, but the internal functioning is stunning as well. Let's check out what's got so much talk in the market about this one. After many updates to this model of the Razer, the shape remained the same and pros: comfortable grip for a long hour use, compatible with all Windows types, solid build and lightweight design, attractive lighting effects. Cons: commanding buttons are less in number. Number 6. Logitech GMX518 Pixel Precise Gaming Mouse for Small Hands. For all those searching for a budget friendly offer with high sensitivity to ensure efficient gaming, this is your perfect choice. Talking mainly about the design, minimum buttons, and a prominent distance between the two front clicks is a bonus for the pro gamers. Pros: 8 customizable buttons, legendary shape, high performance hero sensor, your actions executed as quickly as you can click the buttons. Cons: unattractive color scheme. Number 7. Logitech G903 Supercharging Capability Wireless Mouse. This is yet another exciting model from Logitech but with a much legendary design. Though it has got many thrills with a pleasant lightning effects when we compare the hand positioning comfort for both, the former one wins the race. Pros: optimized to reduce weight while maintaining stability, customizable brilliant RGB, light scenic lighting effects, works with PowerPlay wireless charging system. Cons: PowerPlay wireless charging systems sold separately. Number 8. Logitech G203 Prodigy Absolute Productivity Rate Wired Mouse. Again another one, but it's this more efficient responsiveness. This one launched behind the idea of upgrading the advanced gaming grade performance for mice in this price range. I won't talk much about the history holding that idea, but it was generally brought up after customers were not much satisfied with the productivity rate. Pros: brilliant lighting from up to 16.8 million colors, game driven lighting effects for over 300 titles, switch between up to 4 sensitivity settings, onboard memory. Cons: this gaming mouse is wired. 9 Corsair Harpoon lightweight design mouse. Pros: featuring a 6000 dpi optical gaming sensor, advanced tracking for precise control, contour designed to support the quickest of movements, high speed motion detection, no driver software or additional setup required. Cons: not made for the wireless gaming team out there. Number 10 Asus ROG ergonomic design best gaming mouse. Pros: sport multi gestures, exclusive trendy design, comfortable build. Cons: sensitivity might be an issue for some, though, but I doubt it's ever going to bother you much.